I, Lillian Mbabazi, member of the UNCC Board of Trustees, swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except as may be required for the discharge of my official duties or as may be specifically permitted by the President. So help me God. I, Lillian Mbabazi, member of the UNCC Board of Trustees, swear in the name of the Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Uganda National Cultural Center, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the institution. So help me God. I, Lillian Mbabazi, member of the UNCC Board of Trustees, swear that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda as a board member, and that I will support and help uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
The women who are in here, you should see the shoes of Lillian.
Thank you. Before between demo, we begin of one of the creatives in all different aspects of two-sided doors. There's a difference and there's a change in the music and creative industry. Okay. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm very excited for and humbled. Choosing
Ngamu abagenze ku board ya UNCC mugenda kuyamba mutya omuyimbi naddala National Theatre.
Engeri gye twakatandika nga bulabye, we have just gone in today. So strategic plans izo nazo ze tugenda okuba nga tuziyina tujja kuba tubanyumiza as we see it. Right now naffe twakayingira mu mulimu kati tusoke tukukole tulyoke twawulire.
Biki ebyo mulaba byogenda okutereezaamu so far ebibadde bikyagaanisiza okuba nti biterere?
Ndowooza, right now tetuna pinpointing because nze nva mu music industry, ate waliyo film industry, waliyo performing industry. So right now nga we tutudde sisula kumanya all the aspects of kiki ekibadde kitawanya in different domains. So ebyo byonna I think as we are moving forward tujja kuba nga tubitegeera ate tulabe engeri gye tugenda okubitereezaamu.
Bw'ogenda tandikirawo so far?
Ntandika ne board. Anti board erina okuddamu nayo netuula netugamba kati what's our strategy, what's our plans, what are the problems, how can we solve them throughout here.
Waliwo ebyagala emabega kawo kigamba mbu Lillian Mbabazi baagala mukwata Abamubanja bya nnyumba.
Kale owulira no byalese ku lunaku lwange olungi. Nze nali nvuddeyo nenjogera namu about that.
Kyokka tubadde twagala omumanyi.
Kati singa nali njagala obanyumiza nandibadde nabakubira amasimu nemubanyumisa. It is my private life. It has nothing to do with it.
Ekya concert gye mutegeka abasatu kituuseewa?
We're in the implementation process. That concert, we're very excited on the 22nd of June. Era tubayita bafanzi baffe aba Blue 3 abadde bamissing okulaba Blue 3. We're looking forward to it. Twakwataganye ne Talent Africa Group n'abalala bangi abagenda okuba tukola nabo. So family, we're all very, very, very excited.
Waliwo ebyatambulako emabega kawo nga batugamba mubadde mulina kukola ku sseera naye mwatuusiza ne mujja kukyera tono ki ekyagaanye ku sseera?
Si mu kugaana, but twagenda ne tulaba mbuno fans baffe tebajja kujjulamu Serena. And I think Blue 3 has a big fan base. So we saw we needed somewhere where it's more space, not so catering from all our fans when they want us. Yes.
Ebbanga lyonna lye mubadde mujja mukolagana nga ba Blue 3 abantu badde baagala mubafulumizeeyoko ku nnyimba bakisabye okuva edda nga basatu nga bwe mwakolanga ekintu kino kituuse wamugenda ta alubamu oba muli mu ngundi etaalumulumu?
I think to a demo studio we have been recording some songs. So we just now have a strategic plan in engeri gye tugenda zifulumyamu. So I think that's what you can wait for. Nenge nyima Josie Jay-Z.
Oli omu ku bantu abatuula ku federation kino ekibuzo nakyo kankikubuuza kigambibwa mu bilioni 5 zaafuluma era muli mu zigabana kiri kiti eyo tulirya social media oba bituufu ssente zigabanwa kati?
Eyo grant eyajja yajja to the Uganda National Musicians Federation Circle, not just the federation. This was a grant for the circle to kickstart and help artists, okutandika okubeera nga tulaba ebintu ebibadde bibonyabonya tufuna solutions kubanga there's nothing you can do when you don't have money, but the circle is very good for all the artists and all its value chains, and I can encourage abayimbi bonna mufune engeri gye mujoining a circle, because in the end of the day zino sente ziri loans, it's not free money. It's going to be, it's moving through the circle to make sure we have a big circle that can help musicians after all the years of going through so much turmoil. Now it's I see a bright future for it. So artists out there, join the circle. Karamoja, Mbale. We cater for all the artists and all the sub-regions.
Ekisembayo ku federation. Erabika kawo twayinanga federation nga yakatandika nga buli lwakubiri muyina okufuna omuntu olwakwe mu celebrating oba ne mukuba endongo nga twakiyitanga mu ntandikwa. Kiki ekyagaana ekujjamu kyasinga okuddawo kati?
No, like any organization, like a few breaks to organize and make something better. But the federation is going to definitely jam session again come out. I'm going to tulanga dates with Tandikira. So yeah, keep your eyes. Jam session to yeah.
Webale kunyirira.
Thank you for
olabika bulungi.
Thank you, my dear.
Tulika kitya nti nno mwegatta nga abasatu growth week kusaidiyo tulika kitya?
It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful for us. Naffe tubadde tukyagala for a very long time. So it's one of the things that we're looking forward for. We're looking forward to the show. We're looking forward to touring and basically performing for our fans, not just in Uganda but all over Africa and outside.
I wish you the best.
Thank you. Have a good day, guys.
Smile or no smile?
Smile all through. Okay, now we can have the association members to join the board as well.
Association leaders.
Association leaders, if you're a board member and you're not association leader, please request you to step aside. Association leaders, Mr. Bunyo, which association are you in?
Cheers.
Now we do minister and the social heads.
Minister and association heads.
Yes, minister and association heads. Yeah, board members.
Board members can move.
You have done. You have proposed the association head.
Yeah, those
The poster, you are running away.
Charles
Madam, so where are you? National Council Forum. You sit.
Tell us when you are done.
Smile, smile, smile.
Who are you looking for to smile?
Okay, that's all.
Okay.
because we have a group already, select your number, then we
That's all.
Yeah,